Hello everyone. I'm here today to announce a giveaway that I will be doing at the No Name Nationals in Sikeston, Missouri this year. I will be giving away this GoPro 9 and some accessories. We'll look at this in a second. On Saturday, sometime around 12, there will be some scales at No Name this year for people to weigh their cars for a certain class of race they're doing. And I'm curious what this thing weighs. So the winner is going to be whoever guesses the weight the closest without going over. So I honestly do not know what this thing weighs, and I am very curious. So what better way to give away a GoPro than to weigh it and figure it out? So let's walk around this thing, give you a good look at it, and may the luckiest person win for whoever can guess the weight. So let's take a look at it. Alright, so wheel-wise, I have some aluminum slot mags, 15 by 5 on the front, some older 15 by 8.5 on the back. I have a bone stock bottom end 440 minus the 73 440 minus the cam, because I did just change that. And I just put on some aluminum heads from 440 Source, and I got the tonal ram and the carburetors. And the frame is 2x4 3/16 wall tubing. And steering, it's just a standard transmission. It's a standard automatic 727 with the heavy duty internals. I got a 15 gallon fuel cell. And at No Name, I will have this sheet of aluminum diamond plate back here bolted down. I will have this tailgate on here. But that's it. So that's what it's going to be. Aside from the exhaust, I'm going to have the exhaust probably coming back a little bit more. Not sure yet. Haven't actually finished that yet. But yeah, there it is. Alright, let's take a look at what's in here. We got a GoPro 9. It does actually have some screen protectors on all the screens. I have a 32 gig SanDisk memory card in here. I have a headband, a little tripod and holder thing for it, a couple of different mounts, and a cord. Now to win, you do have to be at No Name Nationals on Saturday when I'm doing the drawing, and you can be a participant with No Name Nationals, or you could be a spectator. You could be part of the event itself. My friends, I honestly do not care who participates, as long as you guess and you win. I have no idea what this thing weighs. My friends don't know what this thing weighs. I have a general idea in my head, but a general idea is not hard numbers. So I have no idea what this thing weighs. I have no idea who is going to win. I just know I'm going to have a lot of fun at No Name this year with the Red Rocket. Not going to be participating in any of the events like the burnout competition like I was hoping for, because I don't really have a floor right now. I don't have a roll cage. I don't have doors. So not quite ready for that yet. But looking forward to No Name this year. Looking forward to giving away this GoPro. And once again, to win, all you have to do is guess the weight the closest without going over. You could be a participant in the show, a spectator, anybody. So good luck to you, and see you the next one. Oh yeah, if you're interested, if you don't know anything about No Name Nationals, check the link in the description. No Name Nationals is an automotive YouTuber event at the drag strip that's in Sikeston, Missouri, not far from the Lamberts. And it's an awesome event. I've been going since the inaugural event, and it has been so much fun. And if you don't know about it, check it out. If you're an automotive YouTuber yourself, check out the No Name Nationals. Come. It is such an awesome event. The environment at the camaraderie, the friendship that's at this event is second to none. So come out to No Name Nationals, check it out, win this GoPro, and check out my Red Rocket. So there it is, and I'll see you in the next one.